Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this series of videos, we will see how to find Pinterest Pixel ID and Pinterest Conversion API token in your Business Manager account. So first of all, you need to log into your Pinterest Business Manager account using the URL ads.pinterest.com. And once you are logged in, you just need to click on these three dots, click on Conversions, and on the left side options, you see Tag Manager. So just click on it. Again, click on Install the Pinterest tag, and the numerical numbers that you see here are your Pinterest pixel ID. So just copy it and paste it to your respective channel if you're using WordPress or Shopify. Now, similarly, go back to the conversions and find out the conversion API of Pinterest. Click on Setup API. And if you have already created the conversion API token, click on Generate New Token, and you will see the alphanumerical ID here, which is your conversion API for Pinterest. So this is all for this video. For such more videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.